Good morning, students. Today I am going to find out the value of some standard angle. Some standard angle means the value of 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. Standard angle. So let us consider a right isosceles triangle. A right isosceles triangle. So ABC is a right isosceles triangle. As I told you, in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest. So AB and BC are here equal. So since two sides are equal, therefore it is said to be isosceles, and since one of the angle is right angle, therefore I am saying ABC is a right isosceles triangle. Right isosceles triangle means two sides equal and one angle is 90 degree. So now my dear, you all knows angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Opposite to equal sides are equal. So if AB and BC are equal, angle opposite to it means angle opposite to AB, that is C, and angle opposite to BC, that is A. Both are equal. So since one angle is 90, the sum is 180, you know. So the sum of this angle A and C will be what? 90. Because we are minded by our theorem, the sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So one is 90, so the sum of remaining two, A and C, 90. Therefore, each one will be what? 45, 45. Why 45? Because AB and BC are equal. Now, suppose AB is A unit, BC is A unit. So, what will be the length of AC? You can calculate it using Pythagoras theorem. Here I am writing root 2A. From where this root 2 comes? So now a simple verification. You know AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to AB is A, BC is A. So AC square is equal to A square, 2A square. So AC is equal to root under 2A square. So can I write root 2A? Now see, AC is root 2A. Now we have all the three sides, AB as A, BC as A, AC as root 2A. Now we can easily find out the values. So let's move on. First, suppose this is the angle of reference. So I am considering this as an angle of reference. You may choose this one too, but the answer remains same. So this sine 45, angle is 45. So sine 45 is equal to P by H. So as I told you, don't write PBH, write P is what? AB. So write AB. H is AB by AC. So AB by AC is what? A by root 2A. So both A cancel. So 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is what? The value of sine 45. Next, the cos 45. Cos 45. Cos is equal to B by H. So write BC by AC, BC by AC. Again A by root 2A. A cancel, so once again 1 by root 2. So value for sine 45, value for cos 45, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Next is tan 45. Tan 45 is what? Tan is the ratio of P and P. P is this, AB. So can I write AB by BC? AB by BC. AB is A, BC is A. So it is 1. A cancel, result is 1. So now sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, tan 45 1. So now we can find out the remaining 3. As you know, reciprocal of sine is what? The cosec. So cosec 45 will be what? Just reciprocal of this 1 by root 2. So can I write root 2? Yes. So cosec 45 is AC by AB. AC by AB. That is what? Root 2 A by A. So A cancel, answer is root 2. So sin 45, cos 45, tan 45, cosec 45. The value is root 2. Now, the reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal of cos is the sec. So sec 45. Again it is equal to what? AC by BC. AC by BC. H by B. H is this. B is this. So the value is root 2A by A. That is root 2. So as sin 45 and cos 45 are same, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Cosec 45, sec 45 is root 2. Tan 45 is 1, so cot 45 is 1, cot 45, cot 45. So can I write B by B, that is BC by AB, BC by AB, that is A by A. So 1, 1. So now we knows the value of 45. The sin 45, cos 45, cosec 45, sec 45, tan 45, cot 45. Now move to next, that is 60, 30. So for 30 and 60, we need an equilateral triangle. So suppose ABC, let us consider ABC equilateral triangle. So ABC is equilateral, it means all the 3 sides are equal. All the 3 sides are equal. So let AB is 2 unit, 2A, BC 2A, AC 2A. Since ABC an equilateral triangle, so all the 3 sides are equal and all the angles are 60. They are equal. So this one 60, this one 60, 60, 60. Now one construction. Construction is draw AB perpendicular to BC. AB perpendicular to BC. This AB drawn perpendicular to BC. I think you all know when a perpendicular is drawn in case of equilateral triangle or in case of isosceles triangle, the base is bisected. Simply, base is bisected, it means BD and BC are equal. Since the whole BC is 2A, therefore, can I write this BD as A and BC as A? So A. Now, either consider triangle, right angle triangle ADB or ADC. This one 90, this one 60. So obviously this will be 30. So this is 30 degree. Okay. Now, in triangle ADC or in triangle ADB, all the sides are known except AD. So once again, using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the AD. For example, suppose I am writing in triangle ABC, AD square plus DC square is equal to AC square. AD square plus DC square is equal to AC square by Pythagoras theorem. So, AD square is equal to what? Is equal to AC square minus DC square. AC is what? 2A. DC is what? A. So, finally 4A square minus A square. So, 3A square. So, AD square is equal to 3A square. Therefore, AD is equal to root under 3A square. 3A square. So, AD is what? Root 3A. This AD is root 3A. Okay? This AD is root 3A. Now, in triangle ADC, we have DC, AD and AC. Again, the same thing is for triangle ADB. We have AD, BD and AB. Now, we can find out the values for 60 degree. Sin 60, cos 60, tan 60. Okay, suppose I am considering triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, this is 60. So I am writing sin 60. Sin 60. This C is the angle of reference. So sin 60 is equal to AD by AC. AD by AC. So AD is what? Root 3. AC is what? 2A. AA cancelled. So root 3 by 2. So my dear, value for sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Value for sin 45 you know 1 by root 2. Value for sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Now I am finding the cos 60. Cos 60. So for cos, B by H, BC by AC. DC by AC. So DC is what? A. AC is what? 2A. So A can say 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the value for cos 60. Cos 60. Next is the tan 60. Tan 60 is P by B. So P by B is what? AD by DC. AD by DC. AD is what? Root 3A. DC is what? A. So root 3. So my dear, value for sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Value for cos 60 is 1 by 2. Value for tan 60 is root 3. I think you can easily calculate the reciprocal of sin 60. Reciprocal of sin 60 is what? Cos 60. So sin 60 root 3 by 2. So cos 60 2 by root 3. Okay. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So sec 60 is reciprocal of 1 by 2, that is 2. Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3. 60 is what? 1 by root 3. No need to write it. Okay. So value for sine, cos, tan, if it is known, we can easily calculate the value for its reciprocal, that is cosec, sec and cot. Now move to 30 degree. Now this 30 degree. Again, the same triangle, in triangle ADC, now the angle of reference changes from C to A because we need to find the value for 30. Earlier we have calculated 60, so now the angle of reference is A. Now my dear, just for a minute, for A, this DC will be what? The perpendicular, hypotenuse remains same, base is AD. Means for A and C, if we are considering C or A as an angle of reference, P and B changes, but hypotenuse remains same. Hypotenuse remains same. So now please be alert. So for A, P is this. This means DC. B is AD. AC is the hypotenuse. So sine 30 is P by H. So for this, P is this, means DC. So write DC by AC. P by H means A by 2A means 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the value of sine 30. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 calculated 1 by root 2. Sine 60 recently calculated root 3 by 2. Now cos 30. Cos 30, my dear, cos is B by H. So for this, B is AD. B is AD. So B by H means AD by AC. AD is what? Root 3A. H is 2A. AA cancel. Root 3 by 2 means cos 30 degree is B by H, that is root 3A means AD by AC. Root 3A by 2A. AA cancel. Root 3 by 2. So sine 30 1 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2. Now tan 30 is P by B. So P is what? DC. DC by AD. Yes, you know tan is equal to P by B. So for this, as an angle of reference, P is this. D is this, H is this. So P by B means DC by AD. DC is A. So A by root 3A, AA cancel. So what left? 1 by root 3. Again, I repeat, sine 30 1 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, tan 30 1 by root 3. So now we can easily calculate the reciprocal of sine 30, that is cosec 30. So sine 30 1 by 2, so cosec 30 is 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2, that is 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So reciprocal of cos 30, that is sec 30. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3 and tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So cot 30 means the reciprocal of tan, that is cot. So cot 30 is root 3. I think now you all knows the standard angles value, that is value for 30, value for 45, value for 60. Thank you.